Okay, students, today I am going to teach about bullet and numbering. Okay, today I am going to teach about bullet and numbering. So you have to go in a notepad. Then after bullet and numbering HTML. Okay, bullet and numbering in HTML. How to do bullet and numbering in HTML? For that, I'm going to do. First of all, we have to start HTML. Then after, we have to open title. Let me keep title name, for example, month. Anything we can keep. Anything we can keep. Title name. Okay. Then after, title close. Close title. We have to close the title. Title. Immediately we have to close head. Head close. Then after, body open. BODY, body open. Then after, close body. Close body. Then after,
Sorry.
close HTML. Close HTML. Close HTML. Okay, HTML close. What do you need to do? See here, title HTML open, title open, month. Then after title, inside the body, let us write nothing and save the program. What will happen? Okay, Control S. Then after, bullet dot html. Let me keep the topic and let me save this program in a desktop. Okay, then after save, let me see whether we will see anything or not. Here, bullet.html is our file. Let us see. Open with Google Chrome, or we can open with Mozilla Firefox, any browsers. Okay, is there anything? Nothing, because we didn't keep anything inside the body. Okay, now students, let me write something inside the body tag so that we can see something here. Okay, for that, let me write something here. Let me write something here. Month of the year. Month of the year topic. Okay, month of the year, and let me keep this as a heading 1. Heading 1, H1. H1 open and close H1. Then after, close H1. Then after, let me see what will happen. Those things which are written inside the body tag will be seen. Control S, Alt tab. Let me see. Let me open with Google Chrome. Now see here, month of the year. Now let me keep that month of the year, month of the year, month of the year, months, M-O-N-T, M-O-N-T-H, okay, month of the year. Okay, now let us write Baisakh. That should be inside the bullet and numbering. Okay, how to show that in the bullet and numbering style? Bullet and numbering style. For this, what should we need to do? We have to open for bullet. UL on order list. UL type equal to, let us write star, STAR, star. Okay, star, type equal to star, close. Then after, let us write li open. For this, li open, li list item also is a tag, li open, then after close li. Okay, let us see something here. Li, first of all, Baisakh, B-A-I-S-A-K-S. Let me write Baisakh here. And what will happen? Let's see here. Then after close what? Close li. Close li we have to do here immediately. Then after close ul. Close ul. Control S, Alt Tab. Then after, let us see what will happen here. What will happen? See here, Baisakh in bullet style. Okay, Baisakh. Now let me keep remaining month also. Let me keep remaining month also. For remaining month, let us do like this, easy way. We don't need to do everything, cut, copy, paste we have to do. Okay, li open. First of all, li open, close li, right? Then after, let me copy this. Li open, li close. Let me copy this and paste this, and just we have to keep the months inside here. Okay, Control C, copy. Let me paste same thing here down. Control V, paste. Okay, now again and again, enter key, Control V, 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 enter key, Control V. Let me write Baisakh, Zed, Asar, Shravan, Bhadra, Asoj, Kartik, Mangsir, Push, Magh, Phagun, Chaitra. Okay, Magh, Phagun, Chaitra. Control V, enter. Control V, enter. Control V. Let me write Baisakh, Jeshta, J-E-S-T-H-A, Jeshta, Asar, A-S-H-A-R, Asar, Shravan, S-H-R-A-W-A-N, Shravan. Then after, let me write Bhadra, B-H-A-D-R-A, Bhadra, A-S-S-W-I-N, Ashwin. Ashwin means Asoj, let me write. Kartik, K-A-R-T-I-K, Kartik. Mangsir, M-A-N-G-S-I-R, Mangsir. Push, P-O-U-S-S, Push. Then after, Magh, M-A-G-S, Magh. Phagun, F-A-L-G-U-N, Phagun. Chaitra, C-H-A-I-T-R-A, Chaitra. Then after, close. Let us see the output. Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, let me keep adding also here. Let me change the keep this in center. Okay, for that we have to open a center tag. Okay, center tag is a this is a pair tag. We need to open as well as close this for center tag. C-E-N-T-E-R, center open, Then after close center here, center tag, close center tag, close CENTER, close center tag. Then after Control S, Alt tab, okay. Let me open this now. Let me open, and what will happen? What is the differences between previous one and this one? Okay, see here. Month of the year: Baisakh, Jest, Asar, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Mongsir, Pous, Magh, Phagun, Chaitra. Okay. Now let me keep the background color of this. Okay. Let me keep here background color of this HTML document. Let me keep background color of this HTML document. Okay, students. For this, we have to change inside the body. BG COLOR. BG color equal to. Let me keep green. Okay, green is the best. Okay. Green color is the best color. Looks beautiful. Okay, see here, month of the year, Vaisakh Jest. Okay, students, see here, background color has been changed now. Okay, now let me keep this this one, this also into another color. Month of the year, this also let me keep in another color, red color one. Red color. Okay, month of the year. Month of the year. Let me keep this. For that, we have to keep adding FONT font size equal to 17. Let us keep. Okay, 17. Then after color equal to red. Okay, now it looks congested, so we have to type here close font tag, close first. For that, where should we need to go? For a view format, then after overlap, then we can see properly here. See here, it has been broken. Okay, students, now students, this is an example of bullet. Now let me see its output. Okay, month of the year, font has been changed into another color. See here. Okay, month of the year. Now let me change another. Days of the week, month, day of the week, months. Okay, let us keep here days of the week. Here, let me change this into months, MONTHS, months. Here also months of the year. Let me keep here topic that month of the year, and here also month, MONTHS, months. Okay. This is not a grammar subject, but also you have to take care about these things. Okay, now let me keep about these things. Another is that let me keep that numbering. Now how to keep in numbering. Okay, bullet and numbering. Now Stone goes to numbering. For that, what should we need to do? S to open. For that, S to open. heading to open, heading to S to open. Then after for that days of the week, week. Let me keep this close, S to close. Then inside here font also let us make. Okay, font 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 size equal to, let me keep 20, let me keep 20. It doesn't matter how much we give, but it depends upon the size. Okay, now students, font size, color equal to blue. Let us keep blue color, BLUE, blue. Okay, now S2 close, inside font tag, inside. Then after close font, we have to close your font size also. Now students, let me see its output first of all. Control S. Let me see its output first. What will happen here? Okay, days of the week. Okay, now days of the week. Let me say something over here. Students, days of the week. Days of the week, DAYS, days, D capital, let me keep D capital. Then after month, MONTHS, M capital. Okay, students, now let me do here. UL. Upper one is, this is UL, unordered list, and this is order list. OL type. If we write here ABCD, it will come in A. Okay, capital A. Then after OL type equal to A. Then after equal to, let us keep here equal to. Then after, what should we need to do? LI, start like that. LI open, close, LI close again. Then after close tag, closing tag, list item. LI means list item. Okay, LI means list item. Then after close LI, open LI open, close LI. Now let me copy this and paste. Control C, same like that previous one. Control V. Okay. Control V. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. SUNDAY, Sunday. MONDAY, Monday. Tuesday, TUESDAY, Tuesday. Wednesday, WEDNS DAY, Wednesday, WEDNES, WEDNES, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday. Then after Saturday, SATURDAY, Saturday. Yes. Close LI. Close LI. Now Sunday, SUNDMONDTUESDWEDNES, I think WDNES DAY, Wednesday. Saturday, Saturday. 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 Then after okay, days of the week also completed. Students, now li close now close what? Close OL. Order list close OL. Then after close HTML already. Close OL. Then after, what should we need to do? Control S. Save. Now let's see its output. Open Google Chrome. See here. Months of the year. Vaisakh, Zeth, Asar, Shravan. Days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. This is. Now, mark you tag also I want to see here. If we want to make this scroll, days of the week and month of the week, year. Month of the year, months of the year. Let me keep to scroll left side, and days of the week scroll, let me keep right side. Students, last one, small one remaining now. Very okay. Let me keep this font Marquee, MARQUEE, Marquee direction equal to left, then after year, Marquee direction left, then after let me close here. Close Marquee, close Marquee. Then after here also Marquee direction equal to right. Then after close here Marquee. Now let me see its output. Control S. Then after let me open this output. Let us see here. See here, days of the week. Yes. In this way, we can make bullet and numbering. Students, some students may have confusion that can we do only this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that? If we want to make Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in I Roman, then we have to keep I. Okay. See here, for example, if we change here something, Romanize, if we want to keep this in Roman form, see here, where type equal to A, instead of this small I, if we want to keep, yes, it means Roman number. Control S, we can see output here in this way. See here, F5. See, in this way. Up also, Vaisakh Jess, instead of that, other also we can keep, star also, other different things we can keep. Students, do you have any confusion? Do you have any confusion? Okay, no. Then thank you very much, students. In this way, students, we can make bullet and numbering in STL.